Okay, now that you see the product, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to remove the product from the package. So, like I said, most of the times the Mexican chorizo, if you can find it bulk, great, you don't have to do this step. But for this particular product, it does come in casings here. And for me, I just like to either unroll it like this and see how it's going to unroll, and it'll be kind of one long tube, and now I can squeeze it all together. And I like to do that on this particular brand because the little tubes are so smaller, and I'll be cutting for days if I do it any other way. So I'm going to just unroll it. And I've seen some where you have like long tubes of the chorizo, and if that's the case, it's easier just to cut through it. And then that way you don't have to worry about it. But like I said, if you can find it bulk, if your grocery store makes it fresh, then go ahead and buy it that way because it's a little bit easier to work with. And incidentally, this is one of the best sausages to have with eggs in the morning. So if you have some left over, save it and saute it up the way we're going to do here, but you're going to add it to your eggs. And it's just such a great flavor. And from here, we're going to go ahead and take it over to our pan, and we're just going to squeeze it into the pan and get it cooking. And see how easy it comes out of the casing now? Oops. All right, there's one in there. And let's go ahead and get the other side out. All right. And all I'm going to do is just break it up with my spoon and get it to start cooking.